What if I told you there are 3 faceless AI niches quietly pulling in tens of millions of views on YouTube Shorts and TikTok right now? And the craziest part, most people watching these videos have absolutely no idea they were created with AI. One of these niches has a video with over 100 million views. No face, no expensive camera, no professional editing skills. And the last niche I'm going to show you can literally be created in about 10 minutes using free AI tools. So if you're interested in discovering powerful AI tools that can save you time and potentially help you build an online income stream, make sure to subscribe to JACKY AI Flow right now. And stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to share one simple trick that makes AI-generated videos look dramatically more realistic. Most beginners completely miss this step. Let's jump in. The first niche is something called hyper-realistic bunker restoration. These are cinematic videos showing abandoned underground bunkers, forgotten military shelters, hidden survival vaults, and secret underground rooms being restored from complete destruction into stunning luxury spaces. And honestly, this type of content is incredibly addictive. Why? Because people naturally want to see the transformation. They see an abandoned, ruined bunker and immediately start wondering, how bad does it get? Can this place actually be saved? What will it look like when it's finished? That curiosity keeps people watching all the way through. I've seen channels built almost entirely around this concept, consistently pulling millions of views per video. The good news? You can create the entire process using AI. The first thing I do is open ChatGPT. I already have a master prompt prepared. I paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates complete video concepts, scene-by-scene image prompts, animation prompts, full voiceover scripts. In other words, most of the creative work is already done for you. If you'd like the exact prompt I'm using, leave a comment below saying JACKY AI Flow and include your email. I'll send it over to you. One thing I highly recommend is creating unique concepts instead of copying everyone else. The more original your ideas are, the easier it becomes to stand out. Now let's move over to Google Flow. Personally, I like using Nano Banana because it does an amazing job with cinematic lighting and realistic environments. I simply copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, and generate the image. Once it's finished, download it. Now pay attention because this next step is incredibly important. It's also the mistake most beginners make. When generating the second image, upload the first image as a reference image. This helps maintain consistent environments, matching lighting, similar textures, the same overall mood. Without a reference image, AI often creates scenes that feel completely disconnected from each other. Have you ever generated 2 images where the character suddenly changes or the background looks totally different? That's exactly why. Once all your images are ready, switch over to the video section inside Flow. I usually choose VO3 Lite because it's fast and efficient. Set Image 1 as the start frame, Image 2 as the end frame, then paste your animation prompt. Click Generate. A few minutes later, you'll have a cinematic animated clip ready to go. Repeat the process for each scene. When you put everything together, the final result feels like a mini Netflix documentary trailer. Next comes the narration. Simply copy the voiceover script from ChatGPT and paste it into 11 Labs. For this niche, I usually choose a deeper documentary-style voice. It adds a lot more emotion and makes the story feel more immersive. The result sounds surprisingly professional. Now open CapCut, import all of your animated clips, your voiceover track. Arrange everything according to the narration. I usually add subtle zoom effects and small motion blur adjustments to make the visuals feel more natural. You really don't need complicated editing. Keep it simple. Let the story do the work. Now let's move to niche number 2. This one is incredibly smart. Mechanical toy transformation videos. The biggest advantage? No voiceover, no language barrier, no complicated storytelling. That means people from the United States, Japan, Brazil, Germany, or anywhere else in the world can enjoy the content instantly. People watch these videos because they're visually satisfying. That's it. And sometimes that's all you need. Head back to Flow AI, generate the first image, then create the second image. Here's a small tip. Try to keep the same background, lighting, and color palette. This makes the final animation look much smoother. Upload, the before image, the after image, paste the animation prompt, click generate, and boom. You now have an incredibly satisfying AI transformation video. No voice, no subtitles, no translation needed. Anyone can understand it instantly. That's exactly why this niche scales so fast. Alright, now we're getting to my favorite niche on this list. And honestly, I believe this is the easiest one to go viral with right now. Animal glow-up videos. These combine several things the internet absolutely loves: before and after transformations, adorable animals, makeovers, celebrity-inspired styling. When you combine all of those together, watch time goes through the roof. Think about it. People love cute animals. People love transformations. People love surprises. Put all three together, and you've got a content formula that's incredibly difficult to scroll past. Open ChatGPT. Paste your animal glow-up master prompt. One thing I want to mention: don't copy competitors exactly. Use the prompt to create your own unique concepts. The goal isn't to duplicate what's already working. The goal is to build something people remember. Start by generating the before image. Then comes the most important step. Upload that exact image back into Flow as a reference image. Only then should you generate the after image. This helps preserve the same animal. The same face, the same environment, the same camera angle. The only thing changing is the styling and appearance. Without a reference image, you'll often end up with what looks like two completely different animals. And that destroys the transformation effect. Switch to frames mode. Upload your before image, your after image. Paste the animation prompt. Click generate. The final result is a smooth cinematic transformation that people love watching all the way through. And those are 3 faceless AI niches that I believe still have enormous potential this year. What I love most about them is that you don't need to be on camera. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need advanced editing skills. You simply need the right AI tools, consistency, strong hooks, attention-grabbing thumbnails, and you have a real opportunity to build a viral channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Jacky AI Flow. And let me know in the comments, which niche are you going to try first? I'll be reading every single comment. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.